Introducing the 2018 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E200DD AMG Line 4 Door Auto in sleek black. This powerful 2-liter diesel with automatic transmission is loaded with luxury features like satellite navigation, Bluetooth, and ambient lighting. Safety is paramount with ABS, parking assistance, and anti-collision system. Stylish accents include chrome package and tinted windows. With self-leveling suspension and a powertrain warranty, this vehicle offers both performance and peace of mind. Fully serviced and warrantied, this Mercedes is ready for the road. Contact us at autocarry.ie for more information on this exceptional vehicle. Drive in style and luxury today.